Good afternoon, Aditi. Welcome to the Social Impact Summit 2024. You just had a great panel. What were your key takeaways from it?
So I think from my panel, the key takeaways were that social impact and financial returns can go hand in hand. It's just that we need to clearly define what are we expecting out of our project and what is the end goal in mind. Of course, we had a panelist say that sometimes duality does affect, but I think if we work it out and chalk out the plan early on, we can actually decide what are the impact returns vis-a-vis the dollars invested can be achieved.
That was quite a sharp answer. So, if I ask you, what are the most critical factors to consider when aligning social impact goals with financial returns in impact investing, what would you say?
I think the critical factors is early on being totally clear about what exactly in terms of social impact is what you want to achieve and defining it and quantifying it. Like I said, that nothing speaks louder than numbers, and anything that is backed by data can itself, lay the ground and lay out a lot of factors which can be taken up and presented in a form that is acceptable. So that means that you decide what are your monitoring and evaluation indicators very early on to deciding and what is the theme that you're going to be working on and pursuing. So these two are critical factors, and of course understanding and leveraging the power of partnerships, the partners that you're going to be working on ground. That's going to be a very critical factor in deciding what are the outcomes and impact that you're going to achieve. And of course on the factor of financial returns, once you're an impact investor, I feel there is a certain sway more towards even leveraging the fact that you can do away with a less return value for your investments, but you are still more emphasized in getting more and more value in terms of social impact for each dollar invested. So I think they do go hand in hand, but these are the three critical factors that I would keep in mind while considering.